Happy Riesling Day, everyone. I am Haley, and today we're celebrating this incredible grape with a recipe that's as elegant as it is approachable. Crispy Potato Rösti with smoked salmon and Riesling Dill Crème Fraîche. Whether you're hosting brunch, planning an appetizer, or treating yourself, this dish is the perfect way to enjoy Riesling in the kitchen and in your glass. Here's what you'll need. For the Rösti, 4 medium Yukon Gold potatoes peeled, 1 small yellow onion grated, 1/4 cup Riesling. I'm using Peter Mertes Gold Edition Riesling Kabinett Feinherb 2023, which has just the right balance between dry and off-dry for this recipe. 2 tablespoons all-purpose flour, 1 large egg beaten, salt and pepper to taste, 3 tablespoons neutral oil for frying. For the Dill Crème Fraîche, 1/2 cup crème fraîche, or you can use sour cream like I am today, 1 tablespoon fresh dill finely chopped, 2 teaspoons Riesling, 1 teaspoon lemon juice, a pinch of salt and pepper. For assembly, 4 ounces smoked salmon, thinly sliced, fresh dill sprigs, and lemon wedges for garnish. Let's start with the Rösti. First, grate your potatoes using the large holes of a box grater. Then, wrap the grated potatoes in a clean kitchen towel and squeeze out as much liquid as possible. This step is key for getting that golden, crispy texture we love. Now, add the grated onion, a couple tablespoons of flour, a beaten egg, and of course, a splash of Riesling. The wine adds a subtle acidity and a hint of sweetness that pairs beautifully with the potatoes. Mix it all together until well combined. Heat about a tablespoon of olive oil in a non-stick skillet over medium heat. Take about a 1/4 cup of the potato mixture, flatten it gently in the pan, and cook for 3 to 4 minutes on each side until golden and crispy. Repeat with the remaining mixture, adding more oil as needed. For the crème fraîche, we're keeping it simple but packed with flavor. Add crème fraîche, fresh dill, a splash of Riesling, lemon juice, and salt and pepper to a bowl. Stir it together until it's smooth and creamy. This sauce is tangy, herbaceous, and has a hint of Riesling to tie the whole dish together. Now it's time to assemble. Start with a crispy Rösti as your base, top it with a slice of smoked salmon, and finish with a dollop of our Riesling Dill Crème Fraîche. For garnish, add a fresh sprig of dill and a squeeze of lemon juice. Doesn't that look gorgeous? Time to taste. The crispy golden Rösti, the savory smoked salmon, and that creamy tangy sauce, it's perfection. And what better pairing than the same Riesling we used in the recipe. The Peter Mertes Gold Edition Riesling Kabinett Feinherb 2023 has just the right balance of crisp acidity, and a touch of sweetness to complement every bite. The wine's effervescence cuts through the richness, while its fruity notes bring out the flavors in the dish. This is why Riesling is such a fantastic wine to cook and enjoy with. Thank you for celebrating Riesling Day with me. If you try this crispy potato roasty with smoked salmon and Riesling Dill Crème Fraîche, I'd love to see your creations. Tag me in your post and let me know how it turned out. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video to spread the love of cooking with wine. And stay tuned for more recipes in my Why Cook with Wine series. Cheers! You could also try this with a sparkling Riesling. Sparkling Riesling in Germany is known as Sekt. Delicious.